Hi, welcome to LeetCode. So in this video, I'm going to discuss LeetCode problem 2579. Total number of colored cells. So there exists an infinitely large two-dimensional grid of uncolored unit cells. Okay, initially also uncolored, and you are given a positive integer n, indicating that you must do the following routine for n minutes. Okay, so at the first minute, color any arbitrary unit cell blue. Okay, and every minute thereafter color blue every uncolored cell that touches a blue cell. So for this example, initially suppose n is equal to 1, so we will randomly choose one cell and color it as blue. Okay, colored it as blue. Next, n is equal to next minute, n is equal to 2. From next is next time, next minute, what you have to do, whatever actually the color actually cell actually touches this cells colored cells, that we have to color this time. So this actually uncolored previously in the previous run. So previous minute this actually uncolored, right? All yellow colors. Now in the current minute we have to color these cells. So this will be colored now. This will be also colored in blue. This is colored. This is colored. So this is actually n is equal to 2 after 2 minutes. Now n is equal to 3. Which cell actually are uncolored now? This cell actually uncolored, correct? This cell also uncolored, this cell also uncolored, this cell also uncolored, this cell also, and this cell also, right? And this cell also, right? Now we have to color this. So initially after any for first minute, how many actually cell was present? One, only one colored cell actually present. N is equal to 2. After 2 minutes, how many colored cells are present? 1 plus 4 new cell. So 1 plus 4, total 5. For n is equal to 3, how many actually cell? Previous minute n is equal to 5 colored actually cell, 5 colored cell, and now new is added as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this will be added 8, total 13, correct? So you have to just recognize the pattern, how actually getting the output. For n is equal to 1, our cell is actually 1. For n is equal to 2, how many cell actually color? 1 plus 4, total 5. For n is equal to 3, how many actually cell actually colored? Previously it was 1 plus 4 plus, this is from the previous minute, and new extra actually added 8, correct? For n is equal to 4, it will be, if we draw this, so n is equal to 4, then how many actually cell will be added? New cell. So this cell will be added, 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 this cell will also be added, and this cell, this, and this. So how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 new cells added for the n is equal to 4. So you can see that our total number of colored cell will be from the previous minute. I got 1 plus 4 plus 8, and new actually added 12. Got it? So now actually getting the pattern. It is actually 1, then 1 plus 4, then 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 in this way. So this will be 4 into n minus 1, correct? 4 into n minus 1 for the nth time, or the nth minute, sorry, nth minute. At nth minute, total this number will be added. So what we'll do? So first our answer or total number of colored cells will start from 1, and I will decrease n minus minus. That means what? This actually I have already consumed 1 minute. So for the remaining n minus 1, what I have to do? I will add 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 in this way. I will add this, and ultimately I will add 1 plus this sum, correct? The pattern is clear. Total number of colored cell. 1 for the n is equal to 1 minute, and for the remaining minutes from 2 to onwards, we are getting how actually getting the total number of cell actually will be added at any minute. That will be the 4, then actually 8, then 12, then 16, in this way. So now go to the code. So first of all, find the sum. Okay, so you can also find the sum also, and you can also how to find sum. So you can do also optimize this. So 4 into, if I do that common, 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot dot, it will be go up to n minus 1, correct? So I can use the logic 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So I will use here at 4 into, here actually n is n minus 1 and into n minus 1 plus 1 by 2. So this is 1 plus 4 into n minus 1 by 2. Got it? This is clear. Now you can also practically see that this actually we are getting the correct output not. So we actually seen that for n is equal to 1, our output is 1, right? So for this example, if I use this pattern, 1 plus 4 into n minus 1 by 2. So this is 1 plus 4 into, here n is 1 and n minus 1 is 0 by 2. So this is ultimately 1 plus 0, this is 1. So this actually matched. Next, for n is equal to 2, we got output as expected output is 5. So let's see whether you're getting 5 or not. So 1 plus 4 into, here actually n is 1 and n minus 1 is, sorry, n is 2 and 2 minus 1 by 2. So this is 1 plus 4 into 2 into 1 by 2. So this is ultimately cut. So 1 plus 4, it is actually 5. Got it? So this actually we're getting the output. Similarly, you can check for the n is equal to 3. Expected output is I think for n is equal to 3, expected output is 13. Correct? So let's see, 1 plus, here is 4 into n minus 1 into n by 2. So 1 plus 4 into n means 3 minus 1 into 3 by 2. Correct? So this is 1 plus 4 into 2 into 3 by 2. So this is ultimately 1 plus 12. This is 13. Got it? How are you getting the output? Here actually you just use the more optimize. You can also use that also, that just multiply with that. Our answer will initially start from 1, because I know that for first minute n is equal to 1, our answer will be always 1. We will start from cell or 1 cell. Next on I know that our I will add our addition will start from 4. So for 1 plus 4, okay, this is our sum. Next our add will be that for the next minute it will be 4 plus 4. This will be 8. Got it? So next minute, this is for n is equal to 2, and for n is equal to 3, what will happen? Sum is equal to, sum is previously 5 plus our addition is currently 8, now it is 13, and for the next n is equal to 4, what will be the addition value? How many new cell will be added? 8 plus 4, that will 12 new cell will be added. So if you go to the next minute, our sum will be added as 13 plus 12, 25, and for the next minute n is equal to 5, our addition value will be 12 plus 4, this is actually 16. You can also use this approach also till we are not reached the n is equal to the whatever actually the input. We will actually run this while loop, and we will just add that current total number of cell will be added into our sum or our answer variable, and also adjust this new number of cell will be added for the next run also. For the next minute, you have to adjust that also. Correct? Got it? Now go to the code. So first of all, what is actually sum? Sum for the from n is equal to 2 to onwards the remaining number of minutes. because I already know that for n is equal to 1 first minute, our number of cells will be 1. So I'm starting from 2 minutes, minutes 2. Our sum is total number of cells, colored cell will be n minus 1 into n, correct, by 2, and also after that multiply this with 4, correct, because this will be actually common. 4 will be added, 4 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16 in this way, so that's why I actually common this 4. So that's why I have to ultimately add the end. I have to multiply this with 4, and this sum will be n into n plus 1 by 2, but here n is n minus 1, so that's why n minus 1 into n by 2. N minus 1 because I have already consumed 1 minute for cell 1 cell. So ultimately at the end return 1 plus what are the sum actually I got, okay, and multiply this with 4 and return that. Got it? I have shared this code into the description, you just check that. So thank you, see you in the next video.